Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. It was a busy one for me, I have to tell you. And if you don't know who I am, first time here checking out my video, it's Baird of Gregor Speaks. Nice to see you. It's been a busy morning now. We're into the afternoon. I had to record this and get this taken care of. But first off, I got to thank my neighbor. She is just wonderful. I just have to remove this little sticker. She came knocking on my door today and brought me this ghost.
Wow.
You see this? It is adorable. So she brought me this ghost. She works at Marshall's, I believe. Marshall's or TJ Maxx or someplace. But anyway, she brought this to me on my door this morning, and also a tote bag thing. So this is going to be a nice addition to my Halloween stuff later. So that was super nice. I don't get many gifts, but that was great. Anyway, how was your weekend? I have to tell you, I was busy. I had something going on. I know it's a news flash. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday was a lot. I had my best friend over, and we call it Brunchy Brunch. We were in it, yeah, it's Rob. And we were going to do the Rob and Greg show when we were watching the marathon, all the runners going by here in East Lakeview in Chicago. I'll tell you about that in a minute. And because of the copyrighted music in the background, I couldn't do it because I would lose all the sound and everything. That's what, that's what TikTok or wherever you're watching at, they do a copyright thing. So I just didn't do it. So, but anyway, you'll see them on a video in a minute that I'll explain. But yeah, Sunday we got up bright and early for a Sunday for me. Went out with coffee. We were out on the route where all the runners were coming through in my neighborhood. So we were mile marker number 8, so 8 miles. And next year, what I want to do is, because I was talking to some of the volunteers, I would really like to do the passing out the water and the Gatorade to the runners. I think about it and I never do it. But the same fabulous DJ that's been there every year was back with all these great mixes. The front runners here in Chicago were dancing on the stage, and it's just it's like mile marker 8 is amazing here in East Lakeview. It's in the gay neighborhood, so go figure. But it was just fun to see all the runners and everything else. So we were yelling for them, and then later on, we went out to Cooper's Hawk for a bite to eat. And yes, we did a wine tasting and came home. So it was a full Sunday. It was really, really good. So I'm not going to talk a lot, but you're going to see the video of what I took of the marathon and here in my neighborhood. But what I want to say is there were several people holding some really creative signs. So you'll see some of those signs that were a lot of fun. And it was just a great community event, and with everything going on and the doom and gloom and all sorts of stuff, it was just so nice to see everybody together and just having a great morning, a great day, rooting on for 50,000 runners from the 2025 Chicago Marathon. So, busy week ahead. We're still celebrating LGBTQ+ History Month. What? Yeah, we're celebrating that. It doesn't seem like it, but I'm still looking for lecture gigs. I have spots open in October and onward. GregRBaird.com is what you want to look into. Please check that out. I need all the support. You need a lecture, somebody to raise the spirits of your company, corporation, company, event, all that stuff, college, university. Please check me out. It's, we need more hope than ever, and it's, you know how I feel about that. But yeah, busy week ahead, and I know it's the news flash, but looking at my calendar, I have nothing going on this coming weekend, and I'm kind of loving it. So onward and upward. I got stuff to do. Got to go out and exercise and get this out. I was making Gregor's seasoning today, so another shameless plug. Here's what some of my seasoning looks like. If you want to order some seasoning coming up for the holidays, you want to buy it for somebody, you want to use it for Turkey Day or Christmas or whatever, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate, look at gregorseasoning.com. I would appreciate the love and support. And of course, I love you for checking in. I hope you have a great Monday. I will see you on Thursday. Subscribe, like, and share. Enjoy the video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.